everybody, welcome to a new video on my YouTube channel. Today I have a very exciting unboxing to do with you all. Today's video is in collaboration with Beautiful Earth Boutique. They have kindly offered to send me one of their 12-piece advent calendars, and as soon as I went on the website and I saw that this was an actual thing that they were selling, I was super excited to share it with you because I think it would make an amazing gift. Actually, let me open it up so you can see what I'm talking about. So Beautiful Earth Boutique is a jewelry brand, and what I loved most about their 12-day advent calendar concept is the fact that usually when it comes to advent calendars, you can never get to choose what pieces are going to come in the advent calendar. They're pre-chosen for you, and oftentimes when it comes to advent calendars, you get loads of different pieces and you might really want some of them, but some of them you're not interested in them as much. So what I love about their concept is the fact that you can actually choose all 12 pieces and you have access to a huge variety of products from their website. I think you pretty much have access to everything they have on the website, which I think it's amazing. So you can choose whatever pieces of jewelry you want to go in this. You can choose rings, necklaces, earrings, bracelets, which is quite unheard of because usually brands will limit you to only a couple of items that you can select from. So that is absolutely amazing. So this is their 12-piece advent calendar, but they also have a 24-piece one. I think this is honestly incredible value for money. So how it works, you can pick 12 items for £119.95, which is technically 70% off. Their pieces are already really affordable, but I think you're getting such an amazing deal with this, and I think this would make an incredible present for a teenager, or if you have someone younger in your life, I think they would absolutely love this. I know if I was a teenager and I got this for Christmas, I would adore it. I think a teenager would really appreciate having pieces that they can choose from and pieces that are a lot more trend driven. But even at my age, at the ripe age of 29, I would still really appreciate a gift like this. Another amazing thing about their advent calendar is that they actually offer free shipping if you spend more than £35. Their jewelry pieces also come with 1-year warranty. They also have so many gorgeous timeless designs that you can pick from, and like I said, this whole advent calendar works out at an amazing value for money, and so does their 24-piece one if you are interested. And I also really like the packaging. I think it looks gorgeous. So what I'm going to do, if you notice that I'm not wearing any pieces of jewelry apart from my engagement and wedding band, and that's because I'm going to unbox 6 of these boxes and it's going to be a complete surprise. So I do want to wear them as soon as I open them up. So this is what it looks like as soon as you open it. So we have 12 boxes. Which one shall I start with? I think I'll just choose randomly. I can't remember what I picked up, so this will be really interesting. So I'm going to go with number 1. Let's go with number 1. Oh my gosh, I remember picking these out actually. They look so nice. So this is what they look like as soon as you open the box. So let me take them out of the packaging and put them on actually. I'm really happy that this is what was in box number 1 because I loved everything that I picked, but some of the pieces I'm really curious to see what they'll look like on. So the fact that I opened this first makes me super excited. I'll do a little close-up. So these earrings are their Vanna beautiful earrings. I'll leave a picture on the screen of what these look like on the website if you're interested to pick them up. So now let's move on to the next box. That was box number 1. Let's go for 9. I had an intuition call to go for 9. Okay, let's open up box number 9. So this is their twisted 18 karat gold bracelet, and I actually don't have any bracelets in my collection. So let's get this one out. This is the clasp closing. I really like the texture of this one, as you can see, and as the name suggests, it's a twisted design. Let's put this one on. Okay, so the bracelet is now on. I feel like putting a bracelet on should be an Olympic sport. This looks gorgeous. I love it. I honestly feel like a kid in a candy store. Which one shall we go for next? Okay, so let's pick another one. This time I'm going to go with number 8. Let's see what's in number 8. Another thing that you can do, which I think would be a great idea, is you could go halves with a friend, and that way you get 6 pieces and your friend gets 6 pieces for such an incredible price. So I feel like you could also do that as well. Oh my gosh, look at these. These are so nice. These are their Talia flower pearl earrings. Love these. let's get them on. Oh, now I have to give up on these, which I really like. Well, one thing I noticed with those ones is that you also get a pair of like these jelly backs for the earrings. Usually they come with these. These are the ones they come with originally, but you also get the clear ones, which is quite nice. So these are the gorgeous Talia flower pearl earrings. If you are the kind of person that likes to constantly change out their jewelry, I think this is such a good idea. Look how nice they look. And now let's move on to the next box. What's it gonna be? Let's go for 6. What's in 6? What's in 6? Oh! Another pair of gorgeous earrings. Again, these are stunning. Again, these also came with the clear plastic backs. So I guess essentially you get 2. These are their 18 karat gold shell earrings. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about these two. Let's put these on as well. Gorgeous. So these are the gorgeous 18 karat gold shell earrings. These have a good weight to them. And at the start I was confused about how to position the earring. But then I looked on the website and it technically has to be moving away. It looks like the shell is moving away from your ear. Another great thing about this advent calendar is that Christmas is coming up. And I know usually at Christmas everyone has a lot of different festive events to go to. So I think having all these pieces of jewelry to change in between would be amazing. Of course, not just for the Christmas period, but I think over Christmas these would come in super handy. So now let's move on to the next box. This is box number 5. Okay, because this is box number 5, let's just go with box number 5. So let's see what's inside box number... Oh, surprise, surprise, another pair of earrings. Okay, so in box number 5, we have the Lana curved hoop earrings. Let's put these on and see what they look like on. They are a very similar take on the viral teardrop earrings that have been super popular in the last, I'll say, couple of months to a year. So I'm really curious to see what these ones look like. The only difference, I don't know if you can tell, these ones are more curved instead of being rounded. So these are the curved Lana earrings on, and they look really nice just like all the other ones. And of course, because I picked them, I knew that I was going to love them. I love the shape, I love the way they look on as well, and they look exactly how I envisioned they would look like on. That's one of the main benefits of this advent calendar, is that you can choose the pieces yourself and you know that they're going to be pieces that you are going to actually enjoy wearing and that you're going to like. And also, if you're buying this for someone, maybe secretly ask them, like send them a couple of different options or send them to the website and like get them to choose, but say that you're buying it for someone else and you just need their help. That is always a good trick. So yeah, this is box number 5, and now let's move on to the final box. Okay, and the last and final box is number 4. Let's go with number 4. Let's see what's in number 4. Honestly, I feel like a kid in the candy store, because even though you do choose the pieces yourself, you don't know what boxes they're going to be in, and maybe you just don't remember what you picked up. So it's like, ooh, what's in number 4? Okay, so in number 4 we have a necklace. So this is their coin layered necklace, and I think it's easier if I kind of just show it this way. I will of course put it on, but I think it's a bit easier if I just show you that way. Actually, I can do a close-up as well. So this is what it looks like. So also all their jewelry is waterproof and tarnish free, which I think is great. This is so beautiful. I've never had a triple layered necklace, but I love how it looks. It sits so nicely, and the best thing of all is that you don't have to think about layering it and what goes with what. It's all done for you. It just comes like that. So I think that's really great. I'm definitely going to pick up more triple layer necklaces because I love how it looks. One great thing about all these pieces is that they go so well together. For instance, this pair of earrings I think goes really great with this necklace, but then equally the necklace would go really great with, I guess, pretty much all the earrings that I've showed so far and some of the other ones that I picked up. Maybe if you had like a super bold earring, you could choose to skip on the necklace. The twisted bracelet, for instance, would go really, really nicely with all the earrings that I showed so far, because it's super plain and understated. And even though the earrings are super bold, the bracelet would go really nice with them because it's, like I said, very understated. So that's one other aspect that I like about their jewelry. You can actually mix and match very easily and effortlessly. So those are the 6 pieces that I wanted to share with you. Like I mentioned, I'll make sure to leave all the other pieces that I picked up in the description section down below. If you like this concept, then I highly recommend you check out the Beautiful Earth boutique to see all the other gorgeous pieces that they have. They have this 12 item advent calendar for £119.95. So that is it for today. I really hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in one of my future videos. Until next time, take care and bye for now.